Introduce my name Gloria. I'm from the Physics Education Study Program, Department of Mathematics Education and Natural Science, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education in Tadulako University. Here, I will explain about work and energy. What is work? In daily life, work usually refers to any effort or activity done to achieve a goal, such as studying hard, running a business, or helping others. But in physics, work has a specific definition. In physics, work is equal to constant force exerted on an object in the direction of motion times the object displacement. In figure, work is done when a constant force F is exerted on the backpack in the direction of motion and the backpack moves a distance g. Work, the left side of the equation describes sometimes that was done to the system by the external work. A force F was exerted on an object while the object moved a distance g as shown in figure. If F is a constant force exerted in the direction in which the object is moving, then work W is product of the force and the object displacement. Formula from work is W equals F times D. Recall that F times D equals a half times M times VF squared minus a half times M times VI squared. Rewriting the equation W equals F times D result in W equals a half times M times VF squared minus a half times M times VI squared. The right side of the equation involves the object mass and its velocities after and before the force was exerted. The quantity a half times M times VI squared describes a property of the system. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy an object possesses due to its motion. Any object that is moving has kinetic energy. The amount of kinetic energy depends on two factors: the mass of the object and its velocity. The faster an object moves or the more massive it is, the greater its kinetic energy. Formula kinetic energy is Ka equals M times V squared. Substituting Ki into the equation, W equals a half times M times Vf squared minus a half M times Vi squared. Result in W equals Ki if Kaf minus Kae. The right side is the difference or change in kinetic energy. The word energy term states that when work is done on an object, the result is a change kinetic energy. The word energy term can be represented by the following equation. W equals delta Ka. Notice that the direction of energy transfer can go both ways. If the external world does work on a system, then W is positive and the energy of the system increases. If, however, a system does work on the external world, then W is negative and the energy of the system decreases. In summary, work is the transfer of energy by mechanical means. Next, calculating work. The first equation used to calculate work is W equals V times d. This equation, however, holds only for constant force exerted in the direction of motion. Using the equation W equals delta Ka, you can see that when Ka is constant, delta Ka equals 0, and thus W equals 0. This means that if F and D are at right angles, then W equals 0. Look the figure. If a force is applied to a car at an angle, the net force doing the work in the component that acts in the direction of the displacement. Constant force exerted at an angle, you have lemon that a force exerted in the direction of motion, thus an amount of work given by W equals V times D. A force exerted perpendicular to the motion does no work. If the coordinate system shown in figure 10.3b is used, the 125 Newton force F exerted in the direction of the person's arm has two components. The magnitude of the horizontal component Fx is related to the magnitude of the force F by a cosine function is cos 25.0 derajat equals F divided by F. By solving for Vx, you obtain Vx equals F times cos times 20.0 derajat equals 125 Newton times cos times 25.0 derajat equals 113 Newton. Using the same method, the vertical component Fy equals minus F times sin times 25.0 derajat equals minus 125 Newton times sin times 25.0 derajat equals minus 52.8 Newton, where the negative sign shows that the force is downward. Because the displacement is in the x direction, only the x component does work. The y component does no work. Okay, next. Work angle between force and displacement formula is W equals V times D times cos theta. Work is equal to the product of force and displacement times the cosine of the angle between the force and the direction of the displacement. Earth's gravity acts downward, the ground exerts a normal force upward, and friction exerts a horizontal force opposite the direction of motion. The upward and downward forces are perpendicular to the direction of motion and do not work. For this force, theta equals 90 derajat, which makes cos theta equals 0 and thus W equals 0. The work done by friction acts in the direction opposite that of motion at an angle of 180 derajat. Because cos 180 derajat equals minus 1. The work done by friction is negative. Negative work done by a force exerted by something in the external world reduce the kinetic energy of the system. If the person in figure 10.3a were to stop pushing, the car would quickly stop moving, its energy of motion would be reduced. Positive work done by a force increases the energy, while negative work decreases it. Use the problem solving strategies below then when you solve problem related to work. Maybe That's all I can explain, more or less. Give. Thank you.